Come on, YouTube, I need your help. So I have a Doodlebug, a DB30. The governor is off. It's a Predator 212. I put a Mikuni VM20, I think 22, VM22 carburetor on there. It might be one of the Chinese knockoff ones, but it's close enough to the real deal. I installed a thumb throttle. So it'll be easier because the old throttle was a little bit messed up, so I had to replace it. All my tools everywhere. But I cannot get this thing to start. It'll start and run for a little bit, and then I'll try to idle this thing. I know there's a screw here, and there's a screw underneath that you use to tune the carburetor. It's got gas. I put a 130 jet in here. I should do like a 115 or a 120, but I'm not really sure. But let me see. The dude who had it before me, he said this kill switch is dead, so it's still attached to this one, so I'm really not sure. But let me show y'all what I'm dealing with. Let me see if y'all could see this. Let me try to put my, hopefully y'all can see this. But, so turn it on, choke up, make sure, double check, do got gas. So this is what happens. Choke down. So that's what it does. I cleaned out the carburetor like 3 or 4 times, but I don't see anything. At first, the gasoline plunger or whatever it's called, the float, it was stuck for a minute, so I had to take this all off, drain the gas out of here, and clean it. I cleaned the jet, I cleaned the other jet, I cleaned the main jet. I cleaned pretty much everything you could do with this, and I still cannot get it to go. So I don't know what the issue is, but if somebody knows and they can help me, I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, let me know what you think it is. I have a crap load of other jets that I bought. All the way up to like 125, 130, 150. So, I mean, I could try a bunch of them, but I just don't know. I know the internal governor is still in here. That's what this thing is. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's just running too much stuff and it's just not going to operate properly, or if I don't know if the engine's bad. I checked the oil. I'm good on oil. I checked the spark plugs. I'm getting spark. The only thing I haven't done is get a new spark plug, but I did clean the one that was in there. It was black, but I cleaned it up really, really good. And then it started up, and I actually rode it up and down the street a couple times. But idling, I can't get it properly to idle, because when I give it gas, it'll start to die. I want to say the carburetor is flooded right now, so I'm gonna just let it chill for a minute. But if y'all know anything, please help me.